Hi, I'm Ben Heath with the National Weather Service. I'm here in the Alaska State Emergency Operations Center supporting the state in their response to ex-Typhoon Halong. We're currently monitoring a storm in southwest Alaska. Looking at the weather summary for the Yukon-Kuskokwim Delta, we are looking at temperatures in the 40s with easterly winds gusting to 35 to 45 miles per hour today, Wednesday. These winds will diminish tonight. High water and coastal erosion are possible from this storm. However, this wind direction is not conducive for further coastal flooding to the YK Delta. For the outlook, we're looking at west coast temperatures that are going to trend towards freezing later this week into the weekend. For the upcoming storm, there is uncertainty in the track, but major impacts are not anticipated to southwest Alaska. Here we are showing the winds for this afternoon, this Wednesday. We can see a low near the AK Peninsula with winds gusting around that low. Moving up north towards Bethel, we can see winds that are in the 20 to 25 mile per hour range. And again, these winds will be gusting up towards 35 to 45 miles per hour today. What I want to highlight is where this low goes tomorrow. So looking at tomorrow afternoon, we can see this low has gone into the Gulf of Alaska. And these winds are now wrapping around that low in the Gulf of Alaska, bringing impacts to more south-central coasts. This is different from ex-Typhoon Halong, which went up the coast, bringing those impacts to the west coast. Looking at low temperatures, tomorrow morning, we are looking at lows in the YK Delta in the high 30s to low 40s. Moving up north towards Kotzebue, we are potentially even seeing freezing temperatures of 31. Tomorrow afternoon, we are seeing high temperatures in about the mid-40s overall in the YK Delta. And it's that Friday morning that we start to see those borderline freezing temperatures in the YK Delta, and those lows will continue to be around freezing through the weekend. Looking at the 3 to 7 day outlook, we are monitoring another storm that is going to come up the coast. We are looking at heavy rain on Saturday into Sunday for the Aleutians in the Alaska Peninsula, and we are looking at high winds for the Alaska Peninsula into South Central from Saturday into Monday morning. We are anticipating this storm to take a similar track to the current storm, where it goes along the Aleutians and then goes into the Gulf of Alaska. So we are not anticipating this storm currently to go up the coast like ex-Typhoon Halong and impact those western communities. So there's uncertainty in this storm track, but major impacts are not anticipated to southwest Alaska. I'm Ben Heath with the National Weather Service. Thank you for watching.